Umpires walk out onto the field and is here to only chase down 122. Comes down the track, Imran Mir, and sends the first one out for the boundary. They start the chase in a style.
Mindset matters.
Straight away, another big hit, and that is a maximum. They want to finish off things in real quick time.
Imran has decided to play some shots here to entertain the crowd and provide the team off to a flying start. Hitting it on the rise, just clearing his front leg and slamming it over long on for a huge six.
Milal Sameh under the pump straight away, 10 runs off the first 3 deliveries, and they straight away got him. First delivery, Imran Mir bowled out.
Magic delivery from Mujib. He is a genius. He is such a versatile cricketer. Mujib strikes. Just could not bring his edged away. It's coming fine down to third. Down to third for 4. So boundary of Mujib's bowling. He's off the mark.
Yeah, it's the edge. Didn't have control on it, but will run down to the boundary. Hassan Isa Khail opens his account with a boundary.
Off the thick inside edge. Making sure that it goes.
Short pitch in the air and will go out of the park into the crowd and comes back into the hands of Sharifi. That's the maximum first 6 of the Mushaq's innings.
I just cannot understand. Just dropping it short, half tracker, inviting trouble on a pitch where there's something on offer when you're pitching around length area. Too short, poor delivery, punished. Shot.
Solid shot that from Nur Rahman. He is telling the world that he is there. He is there and making a statement. What a shot that was.
Well, I've seen Noor driving through the offside.
Nur Rahman ډیر پزړه پوری سیده بیټ سره بهترین ډرایو په کور باندې د نور رحمان له بیټ څخه د تیری لوبې اتل لوبغاړی یو سل 15 نه سوځېدلې
در مسابقات شپږیزه
دا ځل مخامخ او په زړه پورې شاټ نور رحمان شپږیزه
جواب بزرگ، جواب مثبت از طرف نور رحمان. در شارت قبلی البته کنترل ویژه نداشت، اما در این شارت بهترین کنترل، بهترین تایمینگ و فوق‌العاده از سرعت بال استفاده از زمین بزرگ می نماید.
بالکل سیده بیټ سره ځای په ځای باندې ولاړو او په سټریټ باندې شپږ منډې
دست آورده و این هم در مقابل مجیب به طرف لانگ آف 4 دوش دیگر اضافه میشه.
فکری ځیرکتیا هوشیاری دینه توپونکی ده
یقینا این هم البته از سرعت بال مجیب استفاده میشه از طرف بیتسمن جدید حسن عیسی خیل و 4 دوش دیگر. بهترین تایمینگ، بهترین پلیسمنت.
دب دومره ستر نه ده خو په پایلوبه کې که هر څومره ادب یې بیا هم دلته میس فیلډینګ او توپ ته باونډرۍ په لورې څلور منډې حسن عیسی خیل له بیټ څخه
حسن عیسی خیل است که در آخرین اوور پاور پلی در
اوه دلته بهترینه توپ اچونه که وګورو دلته د نور رحمان پاڼۍ ته د پای ټکیج دی وبګورو چې بولډ آوټ دا او که سټمپ آوټ شوی ده داسې څه ښکاره سي تر څو وګورو ریپلی کې ښکاره کېدلی سي بلکل فیر ډیلیوري ده ستونزه نشته توپ اچوونکي ته او دلته د کریس څخه په بشپړه توګه د باندې او دلته افسر زازه یې موقع نه ورکوي هیڅ چانس نه ورکوي نور رحمان ته چې نور په ویشتم ځای پاته سي د امو نهنګانو د بریا لپاره خپل برید کوونکي توپانه وکړي د پویلین په لور باندې
But if it's there to be hit, he will go for it. Hassaneh Shakil with one of the biggest we've seen today.
Up high into the car park. The car park has got some peppering right throughout this Pegiza. Picked up the slow ball early, Hassaneh Shakil. That was a lovely hit with the turn. Probably the ball gripped a little bit. Right throughout the tournament, they have been good in chasing and they keep on chasing. That's a lovely hit. In the gap, thought for a second that was going towards the square leg fielder just for a single. Very good in chasing down. And they started well.
Takes it as a full toss and gives it full Monty. Hassaneh Shakil is making easy work of this run chase at the moment.
लुमड़ई लुबडली पतोगा स्ट्रेट लो बॉल है दो हमें मंडे चांस था ओ कना बिल्कुल दो हमें मंडे ना बल्कि मिस फील्डिंग द तरह खेल लोरियो चलूरीजा
छठा करा गए डगर सातुन के वफी उला तारा खेल
जोड़ा कलज का दो मंडे ते पारा अगर जितनो स्लैग स्वीप दिया डीप की बिल्डर्स ता कोई वाजी नंदारा के ओ बॉल बोंडे ता भारत शबागो मंडल पारा पजल पोरे
मोहम्मद इसहाक रहीमी दाजल स्लाग स्वीप तजी डिरखा मेडल शो बाल द बाउंड्री लाइन न बाहर बेहतरीन अशपगीजा
Pulls through the onside. He raises a half century. Nabi faltered as a batter, but not his son Hassaneh Shakil, as he raises a fine half century of just 34 deliveries. Great entertainment for the crowd and good class shown as a batter from Hassaneh Shakil.
Come the boy. I would like to say come the man, but cannot. He's still a teenager. Absolutely brilliant by Hassaneh Shakil. Just the 34 deliveries, 5 boundaries and a massive six.
Strike. Hits it down the ground. What a dominating victory for Amo Sharks. They are the champions. Amo Sharks amazing. Azmatullah Umarzai amazing. Ishaq Rahimi finishing it off with a flourish. Amo Sharks victorious by 8 wickets. Dominating. Title defense from Amo Sharks here at the Kabul
Proceedings. Unfortunately, being a neutral, it's one-sided final. But Amo Sharks will say, we don't care. We got the trophy back and back-to-back wins in the Pegiza League.
Amo Sharks with a thumping 8 wickets victory, saving their title. Nabi.
Just on the Amo Sharks. Match summary. Winning the toss, putting in the opposition in Misanek Knights. Miss 121 with Gurbaz, a contribution of 48. I thought everyone chipped in.